The new survey builder brings some convenient changes, like slide names. You can now change the name from slide 1 to something like services. Slide position, now it shows you what position that slide is in, so if you drag it from one spot to the other, it'll show you the position. And you can now do logical jumps from the slide level. This is a big improvement because in the previous version of surveys, you could end up in logical dead ends. For example, let's say you were sending someone through a survey where you wanted them to pick a service. You've got braces, whitening, retainer, and others, and you've got a card for each. Well, you could say, okay, if someone selects whitening, let's skip them down to the whitening card next. But after they go through whitening, they then have to go through the retainer to get to the final card that you want everyone to go through. And that didn't make much sense. So now you can come back here to the whitening card and say, okay, once they've completed that, skip them down to that final slide that we want everyone to go through after they've gone through a service-specific slide that gathers some more information about that service. So to reiterate, you now have more robust functionality around building logical jumps inside of your survey. You can do a logical jump based on the answers to a specific question, or you can do a logical jump based on the card. Now keep in mind, if you have logic set for both a question and a card, the question's logic supersedes, and when they choose the answer here, it will make the jump to the corresponding card if you have it set for that option. Also remember that if you want to do logical jumps from a question, you can only have one question per card. We've added a handy new warning for you, so if you add two questions that both have logic to a card, you'll now see this little warning symbol pop up here to let you know that you should remove one of the questions and move it to its own card. Those are the new updates, and we hope you enjoy the newly improved Survey Builder.